Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are starting new chapter number 4 of Maths 2 of 9th standard, constructions of triangle. Now here first construction is to construct a triangle when its base will be given, an angle adjacent to the base, adjacent angle will be given, and sum of lengths of remaining sides, sum of remaining two sides. If such condition is there, then how to construct we are going to study in this video. Example number first is construct triangle ABC in which BC 6.3. Now here BC is the base, angle B 75 degree, this is base angle, and sum of remaining two sides is 9, means AB plus AC is equal to 9. In this way, three conditions are given and we have to construct triangle ABC. Now before drawing a required figure, we have to draw a rough figure of expected figure. And with the help of this rough figure, we will draw required figure. Now here, what is base? Triangle, we want to draw triangle ABC. Now here BC is given, only single side take as a base, and sum means these are remaining two sides. BC, now here first BC, this is rough figure, 6.3 centimeter. Okay, then angle B 75 acute. Now 75 here, 75 degree, angle B, and AB plus AC 9. Now here A will come here, anywhere, AB and AC, here AC is here, AB plus AC, remaining sides is 9. Here we cannot show like this, because we can draw on straight line sum, but not like this, that we have to construct. This is a rough figure. Now our required figure by using these measurements. Now here by using scale, first draw base BC of 6.3. Here by using scale, we draw segment of 6.3 here. I give here name BC. This is 6.3 centimeter. Okay. After that, we have to draw base angle. Base angle is of 75 degree, and for that, this protractor we have to use. Adjust here protractor in such way that on base BC, base of the protractor should lie, and we want 75, and from right side 75 you see here, and plot a point at 75 degree. After plotting point at 75, draw a line or ray by using scale. Draw a ray. Now this is ray, and angle B is of 75 degree. Here you write down 75 degree. Dear friends, here we have taken BC 6.3, angle B 75, and now we want sum of two sides. Sum of two sides is 9 centimeter. In rounder, take 9 centimeter distance by using scale. In rounder, 9 centimeter distance is there. From B, you draw arc crossing this. This arc is at 9 centimeter. Here I give D name. Point D is at 9 centimeter. Okay, here 9 centimeter total from here to here. Next step. Now here again I explain. First we drew BC 6.3, then using protractor we drew a ray of 75 degree. After that, in rounder we took 9 centimeter distance, and from B we drew arc of 9 centimeter. Now we have here D point and C point. Then join DC. Join DC. Segment DC is joined. Next step is very important. In next step we have to bisect DC. We have to bisect DC, bisector of segment, perpendicular bisector. Now for that, more than half distance we have to take in rounder. In rounder take more than half distance. From C first, let's draw arc on right side of this, and second on left. By taking same distance, don't change the distance, put on D and let them intersect. From D intersect, and second arc also here on left side, let it intersect. And now draw a line passing through these intersection points. Draw a line passing through these two intersection points. Suppose line L, that is, and the intersection of line L and DC, here perpendicular is formed, and this is perpendicular and bisector also. Here identical mark I give, means bisector, and perpendicular sign 90 degree. These two signs are very important. Identical mark for bisector of segment and perpendicular for 90 degree. And now the intersection of ray BD and line L means bisector. Here this is point A. Give here point A. And last step, join AC. Join AC. And now we got required triangle. Triangle ABC with base 6.3, angle base angle 75, and sum of AB and AC is now 9. Here AD and AC both are equal. AC is equal to, or AC is congruent to, AD is congruent to AC. In this way we drew required angle ABC. Friends, this is the first construction in which base is given, base angle is given, and sum of remaining two sides is given. Friends, let's start practice set 4.2. Example 1 of 4.2 is construct triangle PQR in which QR 4.2 single side take as a base. Now QR, now rough figure first. This is rough figure, just draw scale. QR 4.2, angle Q 40 degree, acute. Here angle Q 40 degree, this is rough figure. And PQ plus PR means sum of remaining two is 8.5. P will be here, PR, right? And this is PR. QR is 4.2. And sum is given, we cannot show here, but sum is 8.5. This is a rough figure. Now by using this rough figure, let's construct the required triangle. Draw first QR as a base, and that base is 4.2. Therefore I draw first segment QR of 4.2 centimeter. This segment is of 4.2. I give here name QR. Now we want the ray of 40 degree. Now by using protractor 40 degree we want, you adjust perpendicular sign of protractor on point Q, and from right side mark at 40 degree point. Here is 40 degree. Mark one point here, and by using scale draw a ray from Q. From Q draw a ray of 40 degree. Here 40 degree. measure of this angle Q 40 degree. After that, sum of two sides is given. Sum of two sides is 8.5, and by taking 8.5 distance, 8.5 centimeter distance in rounder, put on Q and draw arc at this ray. This arc is drawn at 8.5 centimeter. I give here name D, and this distance is 8.5 centimeter, QD. After that, we got D point. In the figure, we have to join now point D and R. Join DR. DR is joined. After that, most important step is to draw perpendicular bisector of DR. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of seg DR. Then first we will put by taking more than a half distance, and on R, from R draw arc on right and one on left. Then same distance put at D and let them intersect. Both the arcs should be intersected. And after that, draw a line passing through intersection points of these arcs. Draw a line passing through and this line L, I write here L name, and this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular 90 degree, bisector identical marks. Intersection of perpendicular bisector and ray QD, here give it name third vertex of triangle P. This is P point, and last step of the required figure is join PR. Join PR. In this way, triangle PQR is the required triangle we got. But one more thing, PD and PR are same, equal, congruent. That's why here also identical mark we have to give. Sec PD is congruent to sec PR. In this way, we constructed triangle PQR with the given measures. Dear friends, this is the required triangle PQR with QR 4.2, angle Q 40 degree, and sum of two sides, means remaining two sides, 8.5. This is the construction of the required figure. Now let's see example number 2 from practice set 4.2. Construct triangle XYZ in which YZ 6 centimeter. YZ we have to take as a base. This is rough figure. We are not taking exact measurement. YZ 6 centimeter. Angle of 50 degree. Then from here angle 50 degree. Angle vertex X will be here, and then join this. Sum of two sides XY plus XZ, sum of two sides is 9 centimeter. This is the rough figure. By using these measurements, we have to draw required figure. Dear friends, for required figure, take first base. Now exact measurements we are taking. Base YZ 6 centimeter. Then draw a seg of 6 centimeter. Name of it is Z, YZ. YZ is the base. After that, we want angle, base angle of 50 degree. Using protractor, draw 50 degree ray. 50 degree. We are putting on Y this sign, symbol, sign of perpendicular. From right side you see 50 degree and mark point 50 degree here. By using scale, draw a ray from Y. We will extend it because we don't know where arc will come. This angle is of 50 degree. Now what is sum of two sides? Sum of two sides is 9 centimeter. Therefore by using scale in rounder, take 9 centimeter distance. 9 centimeter distance in rounder. By taking 9 centimeter distance in rounder, from Y draw arc intersecting to this ray, okay, and give it name D. Any name you can give except XYZ. Only XYZ don't give, any other name you can give to that. Now point D is at 9 centimeter. This distance is 9 centimeter. YD. After getting D point, join DZ. Join DZ. After joining DZ, very important step is to draw perpendicular bisector of DZ. We have to draw perpendicular bisector, and for that bisect DZ by taking more than half distance. One arc on right, one arc on left, same distance from D. Let them intersect from D, both the arcs, and after that draw a line passing through these intersection points. Draw a line. Hold it very carefully. And now this line L. Line L is perpendicular bisector. Here perpendicular sign, here identical marks, because this is perpendicular bisector. Intersection of line L means perpendicular bisector, and YD, where they are intersecting, here give it name third vertex X. This is X, okay, and last join XZ. XZ is join, and here XD is equal to XZ. Friends, by using given measures we drew required triangle XYZ. Here base YZ is of 6 centimeter, angle is of 50 degree, and sum of two sides is 9 centimeter. Sum of two sides means with XY and XZ. This is the required triangle. Let's see example number 3. In example number 3, we have to construct triangle ABC with BC 6.2. 6.2 is a base. Therefore, in rough figure, we will take BC 6.2 centimeter. Angle ACB is given. Angle ACB means here, right side. Angle ACB, our ray will come here. This is of 50 degree, and third point A here, and then we will join this. This is rough figure. Sum of this AB and AC is 9.8. This is a rough figure. By using rough figure, let's draw required figure. Friends, in this construction, base is 6.2. Therefore, by using scale, first you take a segment of 6.2 centimeter. Name of this segment is BC of 6.2 centimeter. After that, we want angle. Angle is of 50 degree. By using protractor, draw angle ACB, but now angle C. C is on right side. Therefore, protractor we have to put on the right side. Okay, and from left means from B side, you plot B 50 degree from B side. Now here opposite is given. We have to see here again, angle ACB is 50. That's why on C we have to put mark on C, and from left side means from B side we have to mark 50 degree. 50 degree is here, point is marked. Now with the scale, draw a ray passing through C. This angle is of 50 degree. Therefore, here 50 we have to give at C point. Okay. After that, we want sum of remaining two sides. Sum of remaining two sides is 9.8. Therefore, in rounder, take 9.8 centimeter distance. In rounder, 9.8. 9.8 centimeter distance is taken, and from C you draw arc. From C, draw arc. This arc is drawn at 9.8. Okay, and here I give D point. Now join DB. Join DB now. DB is joined. After joining DB, we have to bisect. We have to draw perpendicular bisector of DB. Now here more than half. Once put at B point, one arc on left, then here right, then by putting on D, let them intersect both. Okay, and with the scale now, draw a line passing through these intersection points. This is line L, perpendicular bisector of DB. Here identical mark for bisector, perpendicular for 90 degree. And after drawing perpendicular bisector of DB, where is the intersection point of bisector and CD? Intersection point is here. It is A point. And now join AB. We have to join AB. After joining AB, we get here ABC, required triangle. Base 6.2, 50 degree, and here these two sides are equal. AD and AB are equal. This is the required triangle.